Hi there, I'm Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we create practical Excel tools to help businesses of all sizes streamline their workflow and reduce errors. We hear from our clients every week who tell us how much our tools save them time and how our calculators improve accuracy. These emails motivate us to do more and improve our tools. So keep them coming. With over 7,500 happy customers, from small businesses to large corporations, and more than 130 five-star Google reviews, it's clear our tools make a big impact. Feel free to check out those reviews and see what others have to say. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to one of our most valuable solutions, the Delivery Rates by Distance Calculator. This tool makes calculating delivery costs fast, easy, and highly accurate. The process starts by setting your rates. You'll see a default rate for all deliveries, but you can fully customize it to match your needs. You can also add unique rates for specific clients by entering their names, and the tool will automatically apply those rates. For example, you might have a base pickup fee of $10 for the first 10 miles, 25 cents per mile after that, and an additional 5 cents per pound per mile for heavier packages. Everything is up to you. Next, enter your delivery details. Provide the pickup and delivery addresses, the package weight, and the client's name. The tool uses the Google Maps API to precisely calculate driving distances, ensuring you get accurate mileage. If you need help setting up your API key, there's a step-by-step video linked in the description to guide you through it. Once everything is set, simply hit Calculate, and within seconds, you'll see the total mileage and cost based on your custom rates. It's designed to be as user-friendly as possible, whether you're working with local deliveries or long-haul freight. If you have specific requirements for your business, we can create a tailored version of the calculator to meet your exact needs. Our contact details, such as our phone number and email, are listed in the description below. When you call, you'll speak directly with Vinny, who developed these incredible tools. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to simplify your shipping cost calculations, download the Delivery Rates by Distance Calculator using the link in the description. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest tools. See you next time, and happy calculating!